What is GlobalReader? We provide smart online manufacturing tools for small and medium-sized enterprises. Using real-time data and team collaboration tools, you can reduce downtime 30% in the first 3 months and save time and money. What do? We collect data from your production and we provide insight into why real performance is different from the production plan. We bring decision-making from planning to real-time. How do we do this? We collect data with our black box LTE or Wi-Fi. We collect data with our black box from your production and provide insight into why real performance is different from the production plan. The device reads meters, pieces, work time, and anything else. Just ask. Why should you choose us? Investment-free and do-it-yourself solution. Plug and play, LTE and Wi-Fi, different standardized and customized tools for your factories. GlobalReader, a real-time factory tracker.